Health Nuts! Today's video is probably the shortest and the simplest of all the videos that I have made till date. I'm gonna make incredibly flavorful fresh basil pesto sauce today. It's extremely simple. All you need is some fresh basil leaves. I have here 1 pack of basil which is around 15 grams. To that I am adding about 3 tablespoons of pine nuts. These are raw and not roasted. Though the traditional recipe of pesto calls for pine nuts only, but if you can't find pine nuts easily, you can use walnuts instead. Next, I'm adding about a tablespoon of nutritional yeast, which is a vegan replacement for Parmesan cheese that's used in the traditional pesto recipe. So if you're not a vegan or if you can have dairy, please go ahead and add 1 to 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese instead of nutritional yeast here. Next, let's add some salt to taste. And then I'm gonna add about a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Now I'm using my hand blender today because I'm making it in a very small quantity, but you can definitely use your mixer grinder or even food processor to make this. So I'm just gonna blend it a little bit to break down the ingredients. And then finally I'm gonna add 1 clove of garlic in there. And then blend it to the consistency you like. Generally, pesto sauce has a coarse, grainy texture, so it's not very runny or smooth. And that's all. Your fresh homemade pesto sauce is ready. Can it get any simpler than this? Now you can use this on your pasta or spread it on your sandwich. You can use it with your salad or even as a dip. Super versatile, cheap and easy. Homemade fresh basil pesto sauce. Enjoy! Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and please do subscribe to show me some support. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, bye bye.